In this video, we will go step by step and create a brand new e-commerce store with Ecwid. Ecwid is an e-commerce selling platform just like Shopify, BigCommerce, and other big players where you can sell your products physically and digitally and reach more customers without having to open a physical store. In this video, we will go through the registration process, looking at the default website, customizing our website, adding and editing products, looking at the customization options, payments, and much more. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. To show your support, subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second. With that said, let's jump straight to the video. The first thing you have to do to register to Ecwid is to visit ecwid.com. Copy the link in the video description and paste it into a new tab, and then you would see a page similar to this one. On the top end corner, you would see a button that says Get Started for free. Depending on your preference, you can use the form on the top to sign up or use your social media accounts to sign up to Ecwid. Once you have signed up, it's time to complete the registration process by entering some details. On this page, you are asked to give the name of your store, the country you are in, and the currency you will be dealing in. Once you've done that, click Next. In the next step, please add your company address to get paid and setting up delivery. If you don't have a company address, please enter the address where you will be shipping your products from. This could be your home address too. Once you've entered the details, click Next. In step 3, it's asking us some more questions to personalize your store. Answer these questions according to the products that you are planning to sell online. The last step is to tell Ecwid if you already have a website or not. From here, we will select No because we want to create a new website with Ecwid. Once you've completed the registration process, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. On this page, you can see a to-do list if you have created a new account like me. This to-do list tells you the stuff that you need to do before you are able to run your e-commerce store. From the left-hand navigation menu, you can see links to various stuff. For example, you have store management on the top, from where you can access this dashboard, sales, catalog and products, marketing and reports. After that comes the sales channel. The sales channel shows you the list of channels that you can sell your product on. You can also go to the other channels to search for more. And finally, at the bottom you see the configuration stuff for your online store. This includes configuration settings for your website design, payment settings, shipping information, and other miscellaneous settings. Let's first see how we can access the default website that Ecwid has created for us. To do that, let's go to the Overview tab of the sales channel and click on that. Once you're in here, you can click on this View Online Clothing Store. That's the name of the store that I have. So you can click on this button to open another tab, and this will open the storefront for you. In the online store that Ecwid has created, we can see the website top header with some information on the top. There's also the main heading for the name of your store and some small text that represents either your store or a collection that you are trying to sell. There's a call to action button that leads to either a product or a collection. This can be a sale button or a category button. We can also see a background image which can be used as the brand image of your store or a product image that you're trying to sell. When we scroll down, we see the products listed here. We can see the images, description, and the price for these products, and we also have the option to sort these according to price, name, and latest listings. After the products, we see more text blocks which can be used as your brand information section, testimonials and reviews, and an About Us section. You also have a location section which has a Google Maps integration, and that could be handy if you also have a physical store. And finally, we can see a Contact Us section. Now that we have seen the default website, let's come back to Ecwid and see how we can add and edit products in our online store. I will navigate to Catalog and click on Products. From this screen, you can see all your products. You can delete, edit, and also add new ones one by one or as a bulk. To delete a product, check the checkbox and then under the Mass Update drop-down, use the Delete Selected button to delete one or multiple products. To add a new product, click on the Add New Product button. This brings you to a page where you can add information for this new product. Start creating your product by uploading images to your product by using the Upload button or dragging and dropping images onto the screen. After that, give your product a meaningful name and description. Adding a good product name and description helps your users find your product and also builds trust when they have enough information about the product before they can decide to make a purchase. Then we will give our product a price and save all this information. To view the added product, we will go back to our online store and refresh our website. Then we can scroll down to view the newly added product. We can click on the product to see if the details are correct or not. Now you've seen how to add products to your online store. It is now time to edit the design of your online store. From the dashboard, you can click on the overview button under the sales channel. Then click on the manage instance site and then click on edit site to open the website editor. From the left hand menu, you can do a lot of stuff that directly changes the design of your website. For example, a good start would be to change the website theme. You can go to theme section and pick a new theme for your online store. There are a lot of themes to choose from, so choose the theme that relates to your brand and the products you are selling. Once you have selected the theme, you can come to the site sections and edit sections of your website. You can change the text of every block and also the order in which they appear on the screen. For example, I can come to the headline and cover image section and I can change the headline and the description of this top website section. I can also change the cover layout as per my liking, and this changes the way the image and the text are presented on the screen. Almost everything that you can see on the website is changed similarly, like the label of the button, logo, etc. You can click on the Arrange Sections button to arrange different sections on your website in the order you want to show to your customers. And finally, when you are done editing the design and information on your website, you can save everything, and then using the menu, you can return back to your store. From the design page under the configuration section, you have access to some more options that you can customize. For example, you can customize the image size that appears on the online store and the aspect ratio of it. You can choose images to be small, medium, or large and have aspect ratios of square, portrait, or landscape. Then you have the options to show the information center, left, and right aligned, and some other design options for your products. When you are done adding your products and editing the design of your website, it's now time to make it live. You would ideally want to buy a domain for your e-commerce store if you don't already have one. You can change the domain to your own custom domain by going to the overview section, instant site, and come to site address. Click on the change address button. To change the domain, you would have to upgrade to a paid account. I will make a separate video that covers changing the domain to a custom domain. To receive payments on your e-commerce store, you can add new payment methods from the payment screen under the configuration section. In here, you have the option to add payment methods like Stripe, which is the most popular credit and debit card payment platform. You also have the option to add Afterpay, and you can also connect your website to PayPal. There are more options by which you can accept payments online, and you can check these from the Choose Payment Method dropdown. You would ideally want to connect to Stripe payments before making your store live. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope this would have helped you create and set up your own e-commerce store with Ecwid. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment below telling me what you'd like me to do for my next video. Till then, I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.